Hello guys, don't forget about likes, don't forget about comments, don't forget to subscribe. Haha, hello, it's Will's Hot Channel, and today it will be review for the cheap Mobicaro and for expensive Mobicaro that cost like a Hot Wheels. The first one is a cheap car, it's cost about $1. This car it's cost about $2.30. This is a Chevrolet Corvette. I didn't know name of this car. They don't write a name for it even on the package. So let's begin from the cheaper car with the plastic wheels, as you can see here. Let's begin unboxing for it. It's a cheaper car from a Mobicaro. The funny thing, it's this car is not very light. It's have a weight about like this Hot Wheels Dodge Viper. So it's a weight, it's have a weight like a Hot Wheels cars. Even no company name here. It have some decals on the side with number 96 on the hood. Some decals also here. Transparent windows and wonderful plastic interior. White plastic interior. Looks interesting. Mobicaro, sorry. It's a Mobicaro company. Why I always read this like a Mobicart, I don't know. Maybe that's why this, it's look like a D. But it's Mobicaro company, of course. Base of this car is made from plastic and case is made from metal. But the details are not great here, as you can see. It's not a very detailed car. It feels a little bit cheap car. It's not feels like expensive car. For example, we can take any Hot Wheels car, for example this Ford, and this Ford Mustang feels much more expensive than this car from Mobicaro. Let's begin unboxing for the second car from Mobicaro company. It's also from Diecast collection, Mobicaro scale 1 to 64. So let's begin unboxing of this car. It's a licensed Chevrolet Corvette. Come here, my darling car. What can I say about this Chevrolet Corvette? You can see everything by yourself, guys. We have a problem with headlamp painting. You can see paint outside the headlamps. Paint outside the headlamps also here. Details on this car. Go here. Details on this car much more. This car is much more detailed than this cheap one. They didn't do a paint job on the tail lights here. Didn't understand why they do some little holes here. It have 4 head pipes. It looks like this car. Yeah. The funny thing that this car have rubber wheels. Oh, this is funny. This is a pullback car. Oh, that's nice. The funny thing, this car is have a pullback system, and this car made in China also. It have a Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport license here, Siemens, and RMZ logo. Shatsui Road, Taiwan, Hong Kong. Nice. So what about details for this Corvette? They have a bad painting here on the front lamp, on the headlamp. Some scratches on the lines here. Corvette logo. Rear wheels are not independent. They are moving together, as you can see. Front wheels also not independent on this car. They also moving together with each other. I love how they do a pullback on this wonderful car, and this will be funny to check this car on the track. It's never too late to play with the pullback cars, you know. This car didn't have a pullback system. It's only can be operated by you or by track system or Samsung. This car have pullback. You can pull this back, and here we go now. And everything is funny here. I think we can try to remove the tire and place the tire on the and place the tire on the right position. Let's try to do this. We have Rail Rider here. Uh-oh. The funny thing is that supplier of this car make all of the tires same with the same direction. That's why we can't remove it and place to another position. It's funny. It's really funny. Trying to back this tire on its own position, but it's not easy to do this. Maybe everything is fine. Ha! Nope. Everything is not fine here. Houston, we have a problem with another tire. What the shell they use here too? Guys, don't try to remove tires from this car, because it will be not easy to back this tire on the right position after you try to remove. It's how the Mobicart wheel is look without a tire. Let's check on there. Oh, everything is fine. Mobicar for $1. Mobicar for $2.50 with a rubber tires and with a pullback system. Not bad car at all. For the same price like Hot Wheels cost, what I will get Hot Wheels or Mobicar? I don't know, guys. The funny thing is the pullback system is an interesting thing to play with your cars, and maybe it will be interesting thing on the track. It will be very interesting to make a racing video between Mobicar cars, between Hot Wheels, between Maista car, and of course between a Buraga car like this. So please wait a video on the track with the fighting of these beautiful cars on it. See you later. Don't forget about likes, don't forget to subscribe, and of course don't forget about comments, guys. Don't forget about comments. And for the end screen.